Hello everyone. In this video I'm showing you how I build smooth skin tone transitions on a baby boy's portrait. The drawing is on Pastelmat, which is one of my favorite surfaces for colored pencil. Building colors on Pastelmat is all about layering and gently going from one shade to another. I start by choosing a small range of shades from light to dark depending on the area I'm working on, and then I go from light to dark and back again several times, each time overlapping the previous shades a little bit, and this way I make the transitions look seamless and smooth. On each round I usually add one step darker on the shadow side. That way the darks build up gradually instead of jumping suddenly from light to dark. It also helps avoid those harsh joint lines that can make the skin look patchy and unnatural. Another important point is not to be afraid of going dark enough. This is a frequent mistake I have seen done by many color pencil artists. What really makes the skin look realistic is the contrast between values. The shadows are what give the face its depth and its curves. So please don't shy away from creating dark shadows. They are as important as creating the highlights. As you can see, it's just layer after layer, slowly developing the tones until everything blends smoothly together. It takes patience, but that's what gives color pencil its richness and the ability to create realism. This video is part of a full tutorial that is available to Color Pencil School members, where we go step by step through creating this portrait and many more tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this time lapse. If you did, please like the video and subscribe for more color pencil tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thank you for watching.